Today we're going to look at Pythagoras' theorem. Pythagoras' theorem is a discovery that was made by Pythagoras around 2,500 years ago. And he said, or he noticed, that when a triangle has a right angle and squares are made on each of the three sides, then the biggest square has exactly the same area as the other two squares added together. And this is called Pythagoras' theorem, and it can be written in one short equation. A squared plus b squared equals c squared. So what it means if we draw a square, a very bad square there, on that side and that side, so that was 3 and that was 4, the area is 9, the area is 16, then the area of that square would be 25. And that works for any number you can pick for these three sides. The area of the largest side, which is always the hypotenuse, the side opposite the square, the area of that side will always equal the area of this side and this side. And we can use this to find missing lengths of triangles. So here's my triangle. Let's say A equals 3 and B equals 4. And if we want to find the missing side C, we would do 3 squared plus 4 squared plus 4 squared equals C squared. So 25 equals C squared. C would equal the square root of 25, which would be 5. And we can use this equation to rearrange and work to find shorter sides. So that's our long side is 5, this side is 3. So 3 squared plus b squared equals 5 squared. B squared equals 25, subtract 9. B equals the square root of 16, which would equal 4. We can also use these to solve worded type questions. So here, a ship leaves port and sails 3 kilometres west. There's my port. I've gone west 3 kilometres and then 4 kilometres north. How far away from the port is the ship? Well, the port is down here, P for port. We can just join up the lines. How far away is it? 3 squared plus 4 squared equals P squared. P equals the square root of 25. The ship is now 5 kilometres away from the port. So that's our quick tutorial today on using Pythagoras' theorem. All we have to remember is a squared plus b squared equals c squared, substituting the numbers we have on the triangle, and use our algebra skills to work it out. I hope this was helpful. Get in touch if you need to.